run, don't run. Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground, you take what you take and you go do what you do, you know what I mean? Been through many fights and many things and still we survive. We give thanks. Blessed. Blessings out to the world. You know, I tell you to subscribe, like and share from long time. I beg you now, please. Do it, man. And remember, subscribe is free. It's free to subscribe. You know what I mean? It's just like you join my team for free. Bam! You touch it, subscribe button, and you subscribe, and it's free. Watch a movie, and we talk down at the end. Here we go again. Oh, that way out. Oh, we're not so. Oh, yeah, there, so.
What you do yourself?
This last time you hear me say that for him. Oh man, we go up on one little thing one day, man. And the people them sell me out. But anyway, me get peace, me get my money out tight. But I me them put on at the boss. You know what I mean? So I dey on the run still. But then I expect me as so. But me not expect you as so neither.
Me not expect you to come as so neither.
No, I'm my spot.
Well, I mean, if I any first, I may hide.
Where you hide from?
Something good on, man.
So you need that foreign for give me one of your money, not for your money.
I did go foreign, yes, but...
What go on?
Then they put me, you know, some good petty things. I might fall still because it's true because me need out there wait for me. I dey try shoplift 2 things here, pack one barrel send out there. Fair, because the little people they love me, you know. But then catch me and deport me. So I blame myself. That's why you see me there, so I can't even face my sister. Why? So I try stay as and build up courage and so I can get by myself on track and then I go back to her.
Oh, petty shoplifting. You better they try to lift up 2 brick out of the bank. Anyway, they may be gonna shoot you. But anyway, I'm there now. You know where you go. So you don't really want it in Jamaica then, because then live so you're good. So if some errands if you run, you can't run it for me because I can't go up on the front. Everybody look for me, police look for me. You understand me I say? But everything good. I have the money stash over one place, you know what I mean? So we just try to see if I can outrun them. But I don't know big, if you can catch me still I don't know big, long, I don't know, life imprisonment. I'm going to do a little time here, you know what I mean? But we're going to survive it. But still, they have to catch me running. So anyway, like when you're there and look for food items to buy, you can buy.
So you're state?
Stop it no man.
Only one
How much time we sleep here? We are talking about how we go sleep. Oh, you go find a bigger than me?
I never said that.
Oh, you see car there? When I girl let me take my car down and run the money I fight the man. I told me now got life imprisonment and I make say keep going. But anything for buy, just buy out for that. Alright, so anyway. That's where you go. And I want 3 me sleep last night. Them a run me down, you know. I'm there up on like 3. And see them a walk past. All the dog are me so some dash something different. Something that's like tin goods in the bush, so it rock the place so they can't catch my scent. I beat the dog, I food the dog like a dog they're hungry. But anyway, the money I don't feed them, you know. Why they run me down? The money they insure. Anyway, they're still. Yeah, what going to be? You know, so I can't come my yard come sleep with them, but hope you're not can man in my house, you know. You understand? We're up on the run because of you know. because I try find money for interest because it's expensive, you know. And I give money, I send the money to the country, I send the money all over the place. Done the money, so I have to always earn money. But anyway, it done happen already. I'm up on the run. If they catch me, I saw, but for now, I can't send no money come here. So you have to try to survive it until everything calm down. Everything go calm down, man. You understand? So just hold it out until that time. I'm up on the run. You understand? So when we have time, we check in on link to here. But the feds them watch the yard and them a plan to catch me, right? So they ask me just for now. I don't want to look at ends them, man. But I can't tell them come because they go trail you. Alright? So all you have to just do the right thing. Alright? Alright. My good. Just lock it sharp. Lock it and don't wash it and turn it down. Alright?
Go buy some clothes, then close your car. Someone just come in and rain. When they get the chance to go to close them, now they want to pop out. Morning.
Alright.
Hang on,
So you know the clothespin.
You go buy some nice one.
Me fancy one pack of clothespin, man. What you say? But I see we can't come up and play scary. Because me have good on that. Me can't manage to carry room. Me go. She don't heavy and she don't want to walk. So me I'll get 2 bread and some egg and some other supermarket stuff. So me can get one clothespin here, dude. The clothes them and blow up. A period of fire.
Go on in for the veranda.
Yeah, everything looks so like I bleach.
You don't bleach.
Make sure you don't bleach, you know. You bleach, you mash up your skin.
You know that, man.
You bleach, man. Look on your hand. Look on your hand, sir.
My normal complexion, we are talking about bleaching. You're blind.
You bleach, man. Look on your hand, sir. That's a more
dark. What we are get here, man. Look more.
Alright, let's come.
Nobody take long, you know?
Yeah.
Hey, baby, where is your mommy? Every time your father miss you, can come here.
So I see my mother 3 here. I don't see him again. And my daddy just stay with me.
Miss your mommy?
Yeah.
Your mommy?
Yeah, I miss my mother. But they just have to call me here.
Just your brother. Yeah. How are yourself? Your father always go to the fair, yeah? You don't need no mother.
Daddy, come.
Oh, yes, you must come with the bread and this thing, no.
No, a difference. Alright. I'm gonna get no clothespin for next time. Get a clothespin for you. I promise you eat clothespin so I'll get it. Come now, you ready?
But anyway.
You ready?
Yes, Daddy.
Come and buy egg and something for you.
Say now live not with me.
You like them juice, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get them juice.
Say now live not with me.
You soon me tell me I get the clothespin very much.
So they may go buy and take long to come back to beat me?
Yeah, we get our breakfast, we'll get.
Alright, you're
good.
We're good.
This soon start give out the clothespin, man. Stay hurt.
Right.
Christmas are coming on. No money, you know. No Christmas, no night. So, over your daughter there. She don't come out and play with you. Play with she there.
The girl, she in there asleep, man.
Oh.
She not wake early because of the school time and all, so she in there, man.
Well, she good though.
Yeah, man, she good.
Soon can I told you I want to look up park when I be there when the time right.
Yeah, man, in time already.
Because it told them them are grow good. It told them are grow good. So from Akumo. And I like it, the fun when they have when they're young. And I'm upset when they get bigger. Then I'm going to separate ways. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Because that's what you grow. Look how men grow. Like brother and sister, but we are not by blood, right?
Exactly.
But we are brother and sister.
Always brother and sister.
Brother and sister from another mother, right?
Yeah, always. Always.
And you know, say me soon check up on everything. You know, say you kind of start out and now you know work. The bills then they pay, but we soon check up on everything because we have a big thing of money now. We get one land to plant up some pepper, grace. I have one country to grow and I buy up land. And I get some people plant up some paper, scotch money pepper. And I'm trying to tell them we sell it. So we get one little land. We get one little contract with them. So they give me land. Somebody's supposed to up there now chop down the place. And so me circle back with that, I don't know yet how I carry a daycare. So but I go up at the land though. And then I go back the farmer's market place. We place them because I don't think from here them.
But anytime.
But you see them place them and they sell the seed, them have to pick up much bag of seed and stuff. Because today, because rainy time and now, so we have to plant the seed them today.
Do your thing, man.
Them have to be circle anytime
Yeah,
the food drop. You know say you get a touch out of that.
That's what going on, that's what going on.
Alright, because you alone me can carry come give us when we have a busy. You alone. Nobody else now keep her. That's why I have to love and respect and stuff. You understand?
That's where we are come from, far.
We are come from. You know say, I ask them if they have nobody else left go. They can try to see if we can get this island. That would have good done.
Yeah, that good, man.
You know, do not know good about a morning time.
You can get the piece of land for me, man. But anyways, apart from that, when last I see your baby mother?
From when I see her, I don't go up on the road from when I need that. From when I don't see her like that. You understand? I don't really want to see her either. You understand? Because she left me alone with she. So you know I go. No talking with her. Is it?
You're some woman wicked, bro.
Anyways, me check your panel, alright?
Alright, look what this
Come on, then, come on.
Alright. Look more. Later, baby.
Bye.
Yes. You know what, before me drop asleep, you know me I go on the road, yeah?
I look for another place.
Me I go get something to take care of. Me have some things that I want to buy and so on.
Alright, so pick up some apple juice to me. Right?
Apple juice.
Yeah, pick up some apple juice to me. And one bread. Peanut butter and them something. That's it?
Yeah, man.
You know, I'm more relaxed till I forward back. I want to go on the road, but tonight, I have to try to get to a new location.
Yeah, man.
If you want to come by the next location, I carry you.
So come back.
Yeah, man, watch your road. Pull up the door a little bit. But you know, I feel like nobody knows somebody there, so. Alright?
Alright.
Don't move. Police. The people them money there.
Oh boy.
You know how long I look for you? Get up. Give me 5 bed. The people them money there.
The people them won't have, remember saying no? The people might rape the country. I'm just like
Saving. Say it on the station.
Yeah man, everything good man.
Now see where you are up and down for. Come on. Turn around man and go on. No make no funny move, you know.
Yeah, we never make a funny move yet, man. We never lose yet, you know.
Alright.
We're not both a slave, you know. You know, say how we are freedom fighter.
Tell the judge that.
You know, so I'm good on a machine for jam money. Oh, no, today. How in there? I'm going to come back. Why? I don't even get to me go for buy. See if I get a machine run out of money.
Hello, Wagwan.
Hello.
Wagwan.
Wagwan.
You know, so I want to virgin them and I say, like, boy, them catch me now. As a guy, I don't know if all them know, say, them there. Like, them there watch you or them watch me, you know?
What do you mean, catch you?
As a gun, 2,000 police running.
I'm there, I see your woman, you're gonna have to come back.
Nah, man, so we get locked up. But don't worry yourself about that, man. We're not really bad, you know, we're not really afraid. Like, we do this crime, we do look at time. But you want me to say now, come check me though. Let me give you a thing, make I can strengthen up myself and go back home. Do up a year and go back. Go back to your family, man, and strengthen yourself again. One link go come, I can fly out again, man.
Why?
So if
Piana. Wagwan girl.
Wagwan girl. You know say you want to walk this piece of mother door.
We do what?
Your daughter did over here this morning and she have grown nice and good and everything. He man take care and pick me.
What member say father take him in?
No girl, the man tell me this morning say you were left pick me 3 years ago. But him take him what this like one.
I know walk this girl. I told me the one party and something.
She did one party, a young girl, you know?
Girl, me the one go party and the pick me and hold me down. And me boring.
You never know say pick me and go hold you down. When you go up in your foot, you never know. You know see how me I take care of my daughter? Me alone I take care of her. I mean I complain, I mean I run away with no day, no time. You never know.
But me love party, you know. Me love party different.
You love party different, me sorry for you. So what you going to do now?
Well, my mother plan to take me and her foreign still.
So, I go use the picnic if you go foreign now. If your mother never say, you any picnic, you won't see your back down here.
Yeah, mother come down and come look for her one day. We can't wait till she get big for me carry her to a party.
So that really a pre-party, if you can't go a party when she get big. Before they talk about college and there, something there. And that really a talk about?
But she can't come a party with me, nothing wrong with that.
No wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
No.
You? Me sorry for you. Sorry for you. She big and know, she understand. She's a big girl I know and she very understand what go on in her life. You hear?
Yeah.
You go sorry.
But anyways, I leave my calling still. Come a party I go on tonight. I go check my data.
Go on. All you care about party. Me and my people to take care, so go on.
Later, yeah.
Let's start move.
Don't invest on that, don't turn up, don't steal and come back here. Don't leave out there, you know, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Stay here so till you come back, don't say you're not going to come back. Here?
Yeah, and there's nobody teaching what I'm gonna do.
Nobody can think, but that's cool. Stay here, sir.
Morning. Beautiful. You don't miss me? You don't miss me? My mother don't come to me home.
Hello, mother.
Yes, my mother. I'm going to push you out. Your father never tell about me? How is my thinking?
You say not downstairs to come back. I'm just stay right there, so.
When they were here? Come to me home. Come to me home. You still come back? You still come back?
Yeah. Miss you.
Miss you too. Where are you?
Yes, I want her.
Alright. Where things them there? Come on. We buy some new clothes for you. Here?
But we never let the daddy come back.
No, you don't have to wait till he come back.
Now come.
You may come. Come, you will not say you're gonna come. You don't tell her, you say, my mother, and your mother said, you must work with, so come.
No.
Come.
No.
My mother is supposed to come with me. Here?
When the father comes, but the father on this side.
You don't have to wait till your father comes.
Where are you, bro?
I want to come to my daughter.
Come, go on inside. Go on inside.
Where your carrier go?
When me no she about she, where you come back from?
Look for my daughter, want
She don't want to see her, she alright, she good.
She just tell me say she miss me a while ago.
You know me, sir.
How you know that?
Me and tell her she alright.
Miss said she
You don't
alright.
want to come back
Come
home
on,
with
carry her
problem.
with
When
me.
you stay for it,
No,
Where can you
want
stay?
carrier.
she alright. You can please exit me on still please.
No.
You don't want to make up the hip and nice from your life, cause in front
But I
of
mean,
the
if I
dark.
to make up hip and nice.
So, alright, where you there from? Where you there from?
Take her.
You can't get there.
Why we can't get her my
You
daughter?
cannot get her because first reason you can't get her because you left for ya. You don't even know me there no money and you left for ya for me. And me a struggle with that right through and down. See that? God help me make it a big house.
Me see you want carry her same way.
Go on. Go on.
Me say you want carry her.
Argument.
Me
Go on.
don't just come for my daughter, bro.
This is simple like you just stubborn. Just go on.
Me don't stubborn to just come for my daughter.
Go on.
Me not go.
You see last time we got caught, it's what happened. It
What
was
happened?
me to have a baby. Because last time we never had no money. So I say you have money now.
More carry her friend.
She don't have foreign time. When we ready, we carry her friend.
No, me don't want to carry her.
One man.
Me want to carry her. Oh, what is one?
Man like that. Man like that. They just want to come back from great peace. You alright?
Yeah.
Go on inside.
So you say I go on and on.
I know what you say go on.
We go on and on still. No worry about me now. Because
Remember me no for put you in your ear
that's
so.
something I tell you. Can't talk too loud. What go on? You see the witness that I have? Me and him are work.
Oh.
So me have to come off of the case. But we have to make it run away here. So like he accuse me. Then when he cut to certain thing, go get one plea bargain. Then he go say, no, he tell them say, then I'll get a lawyer upon the case, I'll go back home. No worries about nothing. I'll give her money. I tell you about the money there, you take some mine. And they left some mine for me. Do some look at things. Woman I have a yard, I don't trust her. There's something about her, I don't really trust.
Okay.
So, I trust you more. So, we go keep in touch. So, I will call you and tell you when if you do it, and you just deal with it. Alright? Me to call and text you about the thing there. Pick up the money, fresh up yourself, you can go back home. You have to stand on the road too long, man. Just take a little money. When you go there, buy your niece son chocolate or something. You don't know much. You talk to the big one. When time clear up, you can go up on the road again, man. You can fly out again. Don't go and buy something. And in the road. You know what I mean? Remember saying, you know. Reason why you do what you do. It's just the hand where you've been dealt with. You know what I mean? You never born to go to school in the mouth. You're born to go somewhere else. Go on through. Maybe talk about it.
Alright.
Alright? Give the police, yo, wait there. Give the police you to go change him too. Yeah?
Eh?
More send a police to you, give me a change him. I'm going to make everything go through. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog.
Yes, over your Sunday. Okay. Alright. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jamaican, and I'm here to bring the child with me because this is her mother.
No, me and her father. I'm kidnapped.
So what's the problem?
I see a problem. Look at court already and then say she not forget no custody.
No, in a long time. You live with a woman?
No, me and baby.
You can't stay with the girl child.
What?
You can't stay with a girl child without a woman.
What do you mean?
You can't stay with a girl child without her mother. So you don't have to be your mother, you're not living with a woman, so you can't stay with a girl child.
I have a woman. She come anytime soon.
Me don't want no other woman take care of my daughter.
Listen me, you can't tell me who will take care of my daughter.
Officer, just it is settled. This is her mother and she needs to go with her mother.
Listen me, man, listen me, officer. Let go.
No, officer, I keep the word.
Let go. Can we go to court already? Relax. Want to, yo,
Relax
don't have to get dark in the same. Listen, we tell us that we got court already, you know, understand what me I said? We got court already and the judge said she not capable to keep the baby, so me to keep the baby. You understand?
Understand.
You understand? So go on.
Okay, I will give you another court date and then it will be settled from there. Okay?
Go on.
Okay.
I'm telling you, don't come back up on me yard. Don't come back up on me yard. Cause like you love the problem. We have the police in our place and you have the police in our place. So what do you think police are gonna do? Don't laugh, cause this is serious. You see your mother want to take you from me. Eh? Come on. I'm not just go some side again.
No, say your auntie gonna foreign door.
Auntie gonna give me sweetie what she promised me.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see when time auntie come back, you'll get more and sweet, you hear? You'll get money, you'll get clothes, you'll get tie, everything you'll get. One full barrel we get in time auntie come back, you hear? So don't worry yourself, only for things we get. Money and everything we get. So don't worry about that, you hear?
So now when time auntie come back home.
Auntie now come back for now. But anyways, may go look for her upon one iron bird here.
Okay.
Yes, we have to go look for her because she now come back for now.
Okay.
Yes.
How can I iron
Don't worry yourself, man. When we go pan here, go see it. You're not afraid of the here?
Okay.
Yes, we're going to look for auntie. Pull down your dress. It's not really an iron bird, you know, it's a plane. We're going to hit, it's big, you know, it's big. We're going to hit, we get the snacks them, and we fly go to auntie.
Okay.
Yes.
Yay! Let's go today.
Alright. We can't go today, no, but soon though. You hear? Yes, soon. Remember, so we have to get the things them ready first, and then we fly out.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, we're back. I'm back.
See your friend come, they go and play. But no hurt to yourself, you know. Go on. Go and play with your friends. Jaja. you are doing here?
What do you mean by may I live?
No. We are doing so early.
My name was say me have a time schedule when to come on my yard.
So we don't think say work can work.
That me did think about get myself in a so mess.
But you know, say I chat me just there chat a while ago though. So me have my phone and we have the next one and ring over this. So I'm not even answer. While ago me just did a chat you.
So you chat me for?
I don't know nothing bad. And you need me to talk to about it.
Oh. What should I have to say?
She won't listen.
Oh well girl, then deport me.
What you say to me?
Yeah, me get deport cause you know, say girl, this is all the things that she want carry on. Me they want pack one like a barrel or something send one and the money never really land same time. So me see one story down some hot girl things in the feed baby and me I say what? You can't go let them somebody try and see if you can teach them and then catch me.
Me there tell you pick me one bag of something barrel sweet everything money a come everything. And that me there tell you pick me say you know.
And if you learn to build up in works.
Some of the things say you come here with one bag of something.
Only when me later when me come back with me have 2 sweeties and 2 chocolate, yes?
Anybody a call back later. You around there, she see you right now. Me don't know what happened, but me there tell her everything.
There's some sweet in the refrigerator.
Me don't know if sweet down there, you know. You have to go look. And guess who is back? Go on one, they go look. Go on one, they go look.
Maybe there's some sweet in the refrigerator.
Me don't know if they down there, no, because I don't think if no sweetie down there.
Yeah, we can hear a poor child my class.
Go and go do that now before anyone come and chat about Jesus.
Hi.
What going? Alright.
Yeah.
Can I miss me?
Yeah, but we got balloons.
We got balloons. Can I miss me?
The phone over there, sorry.
Chingon.
Go and get chingom.
Come, you know.
Kiwi. We get sweetie. Let's get sweetie.
Alright, me tell you something for you. You're baby, but me now get today. You're going to take one little time for you to come here. Alright. Now go lie down. You have to cook with things.
Girl, guess who is back? No, guess. No, Sanja? Yeah, she fly down this morning. What? Yes, girl. All of my plans, everything mash up. Everything mash up. You don't even know. You can't try line up a white man for me. Yes, try do that for me, man. Yeah, alright. Look at me.
Akim. Yeah.
Girl, you don't even know. Sandra, me there depend on the year. And she can't file for me. She have to file for mommy and mom file for me.
Oh, my nice time. So she not send no money from she go?
Girl, me really, no sir. She not send no money for me, but me not really worry about that, you know. Main thing me I worry about, she go over there and work, and she can file, so she can file for mommy. Then mommy go over there and mommy file for me if you go over there. So that me I worry about.
Girl, I live on my mind now. I forget what money in a day. Yeah. I really have some money to do.
So girl, what you want so much money if you do?
Girl, I want their jail.
What you answer to me?
Yeah. Yeah, jail.
I miss the money. And when they are jail, I mean, have a new man with me and mine.
Work up on you too. So even if me dey have your money, I'll lend you. And your money would go mine.
Well, I can't ask for the money for you. Since I don't have me, I go here, man.
Go on no ways, yeah. But you want money for my man. Go on.
Look here.
Who is that?
No, yeah.
Come in.
Maybe I'm not for a long man.
Me don't see
Where
you.
baby there?
You baby there on the side now.
Look here and come back.
Sorry, no go for you.
No, see Christmas already.
Nobody comes here, come.
We not put the dolly them in their bag. Come.
Later. You tell her for later?
Come and put over here.
You tell her for later?
No, because
Alright, me tell her later. You hear?
Alright, look at me.
Yo, babes. Every minute you pay your phone, so I pray.
I mean, every minute I come from the pan TikTok.
I live too comfortable in the babes, right? I want some money. You know.
Baby, my son, I live too comfortable. I don't have no money.
The way always give me money, you know, said, give me money anytime I see me. I pray. You want some money, you know?
I don't have no money. I have to check my friend.
How money I have to borrow it from somebody, man?
Maybe check my friend.
You know, nobody can get to borrow from.
Yeah, I check my friend up the road and come back.
How much I get for borrow?
50,000.
50,000.
Yes, that can be.
See, you tell me that the last time, and you tell me that I 10,000 you came out. But I them style again, you know.
60, may go try it.
Try it, you see.
Remember, say I borrow where I borrow.
Yeah, but you still can borrow and get what you want. You don't know that.
Did if I work for give a girl her money?
So you borrow it for?
No, because you want to get it.
So you must forget it.
You know, I can't bother with them.
Bother with what? You
Yeah,
take care of
yeah.
me. If you can't bother with it and I do all long. Then you start it, I did tell you to start it.
But if me not, you know.
B. I don't get money to borrow in a car. I don't even
Alright,
feel
they
good
look
now.
at the money and come back.
I don't even feel good right now. You don't start. Yo.
Ready? B. You know something to get no money.
What? Is it?
When I get no money, so she don't have no money.
Yeah, somebody I didn't talk in the man. So
Sure.
I want somebody to link.
Yeah.
If you link want somebody, you know, use the
So that
head.
she always lend me.
Use the head, babes. If she no link, you must try somebody else.
Where you want money for go do?
Like a brav daddy, and I know what things set. You go like you know.
So you want me to borrow money for your brav?
Link somebody else, and you will get the money. You know, you the link one somebody, you can't link one somebody one time. Look at me. Link more than one people, you can't link some and pass some. That don't make no sense. You don't know that. Suppose one of them where you pass them have it. Eh? Talk to people, you will know enough people, you want to know one somebody alone. Because that no work. Just get the money, give me
You
that.
need to go look at work.
Me need to go look at work.
Yeah.
When you meet me, what you tell me say? Now you're going to spend the money and take care of me. Because I say you take care of all your man them.
But we don't have no
Eh?
more money.
You don't have no more money.
You want like them pay
So you're not going to find the money like how you always find it. Eh? Now you tell me how this make you feel good and sin and I spend extra money.
But
on
that
it.
doesn't mean I feel buy rum every single day and I get 50,000 figure a bar go bra for them ugly friend them.
So you get used to me now, so what? You want to abuse me now?
Go and go look at work.
Go look at work.
That me say.
What? And that you say?
That-
Yo, look on me. Remember where you come from, you know? Remember where you used to say?
Alright, sorry.
Remember that with it? Remember say you spend for me and you wear all of them are bling blings and see. I drop one drop my blings. I style me now. Oh what? This dead? This dead? Never.
You know work again.
Ever. But with that. But with them a joke there. You know me don't run certain joke.
If you drink so much, I must go down.
Drink so much with rum, you buy rum, the man tell me say rum make it function good. What you talk about?
Rum not make it function good again. It's sorry for you.
We drink the cup, we can't party them and sing and this. Turn up on you. I want to you. What? Attitude that give me?
That we just do. We have good.
Attitude that give me? Yo.
They're going next to you, bad man. Watch it.
Don't be
This
hurt.
serious.
Babes, you know what things.
Just because I tell you, if we look at work, you come and jail me up on there something there.
You used to tell me work, or you tell me work now.
But if me not have no more money, what me do?
Brother, you ain't not too much talking with me right now. You want to get a piece of food from somebody else. Hurry up. Hurry up, man.
See you, officer. But yeah.
Yeah, me for you know, see you for
Maybe you need to wake up. I want you to do.
I don't know.
So I can't come in. And I see you in a fog.
You see I sleep, I sleep. My daughter actually went
Oh. You know, say, me now want a serious situation though.
What kind of situation?
What money you come for buy rum?
You know, say me not no money I know for buy for lend. No, because I can't afford to see. But if I really something important to really want to do with the money, then we have to do already.
What me have to do?
Come on.
Alright then. Come on, money.
And the money too.
Yeah.
Because it's important to me.
So me important for you.
Come here, sir. Yeah. Well, I work still on. Take up this. So come on. Yeah, I should leave me in our medical money. Alright, so now I'll change. So we get good. All this. Oh, 15.
Alright, thanks. So later.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do that.
Yes. 15,000
That's it.
15,000.
15,000 you get?
Yeah.
Alright. That's good money. And tell our babes. Go on the road and come back, you know, isn't it? Somewhere just cook some food and I set up a place till I come back, isn't it? You know what things, so there's a pre.
So me and you are good friend now because me don't know my
But I'm not going to talking the man. Where you come in the talking the for? Then you take care of me for the morning. What you talk about? Now you broke my back.
If you cook, so you have to give me something on $15,000.
See what I'm saying? You know, stash nothing for yourself to cook. So where you go eat? And you know, so this you have to deal with something on the road. The real babes.
Alright then, like how that if you do this, so you go down to a bar.
Which bar? Me tell you,
A bar you go.
You don't
And
know
that's how
me
you take money and
You don't know where me I go. So I'm telling you about a bar. Because you don't know where me I go. So breathe easy. You know if me I got no bar?
Me can't, me a breathe. You know, me a breathe easy.
Breathe easy, man. Breathe easy, man. So what you breathe? I go up on the road, go deal with something. I'm just boogie back. You see it?
One by your business.
You
Make
know
sure
something
say,
like me talk
oh,
to
when
you.
you come back, no people food now there.
Bother with that. Bother with that.
Me don't have no food to give you.
Bother with that, babes. Get the food and cook, man. And so
But me
far.
don't get money to buy food.
No, I breathe.
Nothing happened.
Bomba, look how long me on the phone. Where's sister there?
No, I got
Mini cheaters missing such a bomba. Tell you what, long story short. I get some money in it, I should get some money in it more to get here. See it? You're not trouble.
I'm not telling you to
Make sure you don't trouble the money, you know.
I'm not trouble with that.
You're like to come down and say, all this. I 50 this. All the money I made with the money drop out.
You not drop out, it's not all the money.
Can I say 50,000? You see me? Can I say my ducks? and get it. You see me? Money just land on me tell her about. You see free. Tell her to meet me on the block later. She know me at that. You see me? Tell her to come. What do you want? Tell her to come 7:30. You see me?
Alright.
Tell her to not make it too late because she know me not like my style. You see free? She know me not like my style. Tell her to come 7:30 on time. You see free? Alright. I remember if you don't use money, you see me?
Why am I not use the money?
What you pay? I'm gonna make a step come here so more money to collect and see me, you see me? You don't know man things come in different, you see free? Alright, what do you do? Look come on.
Yeah. So girl, what your man there?
Girl, him over there.
Why I'm really have to ask him because every minute he out of jail and he in a jail today or tomorrow in.
I said, girl, every single minute me I feel the back and forth in a jail with the boy.
Me, but that is long time. You come to carry that or something.
But girl, if you just call
Me, but that is long time.
girl, me say, my fear do my fear do for me right now. But if you get one call for one farmer, you got foreign or something. But wait there, I want to use the bathroom. Me I could.
Hello?
Hello, good night.
Yeah,
Is
who
this
is
the
this?
person that calling for the farm work?
Yeah.
Alright, so we didn't get your full name, so what is your full name?
Sandra Williams.
Sandra Williams.
Mhm.
Alright, so we have a space here for you.
And when me can fly out?
It's not like that because we have to have your documents. I only get your full name. So you have to come in with your TR and your ID and so forth.
So I'm for the WhatsApp them to you?
No, you have to come in.
Come in when?
In Kingston
Oh.
tomorrow. If you can make it tomorrow,
Yeah man. Me can make it.
alright then.
Alright, but here one now. Me I go dash to the phone because the phone screen and well crack up and me barely can't see nobody pan who walk or whatever. So me I go send one different number and you call me pan. Don't call back that number here.
Okay, no problem.
Alright. So you could wash your hands?
No water in your bathroom.
No water in the full bathroom.
Your bathroom.
So you don't go to do go wash
But
your
cut
face.
that. Me hear my phone ring. Nobody na call my phone.
And then you alone have phone like that, girl. My phone have 2 ringing.
Oh.
And my phone ring right now, so I'm just call up on top the car and then get the answer it.
You sure nobody na call my phone though?
I'm not gonna call him, man. Yeah, expect
Remember
one
say that
call.
I'm a pastor now, so me can know so if you're going to the phone.
Yeah, expect a call.
Yes, remember somebody did tell her before we go to the bathroom.
Oh.
Girl, remember me did tell us to get a call, you know.
Oh. But see,
Yeah. Long story short, girl. When me got a camera, you see, girl, they go send money come get every week.
yeah, I
Like
like that.
this is time now, but yeah, I'm a real friend. Remember you take a 3 month from already, you know?
But then I pass, girl.
Oh. But still, me like your sister, you know. But yeah, I'm a real friend.
Yeah, I said money come on thing as you said.
Every week, girl.
I like that. I like hear the part there. The money part, I like hear about. Yeah, but the friend. Anyway, I'm gonna ask about still, you know. So, when time, how spot I go?
Canada, may I go?
Canada. So, like, when I go over, you can pull no little string for me.
Girl, but me don't know nobody there. Remember, say one man help me, you know.
Yeah,
And my trap
you see a man can know one next man.
But if me go over there, me meet nobody can make it get the number of the help, yeah.
I know if you can do it, because you love man. You
Girl, they
think
come and
man
talk
are
about
loyal.
say me love money, I always a take me man them. Oh, me feel love money, I always a take them from me.
And because your man they want you, they want me. So.
And that's why I don't go want me for me look no foreign work for you.
I know you more than want me.
Oh,
If I look fine for me, I know you're going to look man for you. You're going to look man for me. I'm not going to look man for yourself. You can look man.
so Like how me can't look man. How me ever look the man if he give you.
Just tell the man say, yeah, I have a Jamaican girl and just take up one whole heap of lion till the man want a bunch of something. That's all they need to do for a man love Jamaican woman and you should have known that.
No cook no food.
You never really go in the kitchen. Go and cook or go boil ramen or something or something.
Me soon get that. But what me I say, when time me I go and I come at the airport with me.
Yeah, we can do that still.
You so like say you don't want to come.
Why me not go and come here pay me?
You see me tell you, you love so much money.
You're lucky.
And you say you're my friend.
You're lucky.
Mr. Girl, me have a man down there. Every minute he might text off my phone. He just a call on my phone, so.
So you don't want him?
Yeah, girl. Me have to want him.
Jesus can't touch you.
Bomba!
So this is only 2 hours to what I watch.
When you watch something just come up on my phone and I look on it, so you don't come out there and look too.
And that I really sit down and watch out, you don't. You don't have something better to do?
Phone. Me buy my phone now.
You don't have something better to do?
No.
We don't care if I you buy your phone.
We have something better to do. Go watch ya.
You can't see it. I can see it one like a one month. Alright, now come. Go in.
Girl.
Look, where father closed door. Come, we go put your bed.
Hello.
Where you there now?
Me there with my friend.
Listen to me. Your friend can't service you, you know. One service, I'm going to touch you right now. Because I touch you, I know about one. But I'm going to fund some money for you. So come give me look like good luck.
Alright then, me a come.
Can come give me right now.
Yeah.
Want somebody good luck.
Me a come.
You stay now come for real until you come yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Alright.
Right now.
So girl, man just a call me like a plague in my back, so.
Whatever thing, man. How long time back to the yard?
You're lucky, me not come back over here.
Yeah, be come back.
Me not come back, 'cause every time I come here, come around me like me you what? Me your dad?
So where you go?
Never peace.
Yeah, don't care piss off.
I don't know.
No, hurry up.
Girl, me come down my yard. I get them in the investigate.
Alright.
Yeah.
If my money come when you're done.
No, 'cause me have a what?
Her can eat off now. You don't say you want to sleep. Come. Her can eat. When you finish eating, come go to bed here.
Auntie baby. Yeah, eat man. There's something to see you. We get one farm work.
We are set to when
We go to Canada.
So when you leave,
Then say I'm come to Kingston tomorrow with my ID and tearing and things. So that me gonna do so. When we go tomorrow now, I probably can leave like probably a week and work further down, you see me? Like for the weekend or so. Don't tell nobody no.
me happy for your man, sis.
Me not tell nobody, so don't tell nobody.
We like an informer.
Okay.
My chatty box.
And auntie girlfriend, auntie I can no sweetie tea baby, eh?
Yeah,
I promise. No sweetie and chocolate milk tea baby.
Come eat up.
Yeah, mama. But sis, probably when I go there, I can't see the auntie thing from time to time, you see me?
You know,
Because
say
they
your
don't say
sister.
farm work, you know. Farm work gonna go. One of my friends here tell me one time, so farm work kind of pay if you get a good job or a good boss or something like that. I never too pay attention to what she tell me to stay, but you just have to know.
Well, just do what you have to do, you know. Remember me and your niece.
I always remember this a little tough failure, man. What do you say? But still and still, no, sis. You don't know fear where you can lend me because you have no money, you know.
No man, me can't any fear. So when I say I go,
I left out tomorrow go to Kingston, so you must be happy.
what time so?
I left out early because I don't Kingston for 5, so I left
Alright.
out 6 o'clock.
Never make your baby get asleep and I will put the money for you.
Alright, thank you, yes, sister.
No man, that's
Good
good.
night, baby.
And I tell auntie good night.
Good night, mama.
So, Samia, where I say go now?
No, come here, come on, fire them and go up and come. So we think we go line up.
Where, is your chance still here?
Man, you know, tell me, say you want the bag set and the whole like cologne set and bag or something.
Yeah.
If you don't go for the money, you get it.
So, may I get money before you go?
No, you know, you get the money when you come back. A big money I talk about, you know. And a chicken feed money, you know. But you want to look a good luck. Before.
You want to look a good luck?
Yeah, you do look at good luck, Sean.
Oh.
I know every time we work out before we go. We get locked up still, but oops, it's different this time.
Alright, then like all the time you work.
What? Give me a different style tonight. Give me a different style. I don't want the bone style. Like a time board. We work too much.
Are you not work good?
Give me a massage before you start. Here. Give me a massage before you start.
What you want massage?
Massage before you start. Don't take off the shoes. Come.
What could you want massage too? And you can't even work so good. Maybe say how far you go, so come.
So come.
Nobody just sleep in because you're bored like a what?
Are you bring up board this morning?
Yeah,
look.
look.
You know, back in the days, man, vibrant. As in the pick you up.
See that pick up me? And you can't work so good.
Yeah, because you give me a dead vibe, so what do you expect?
Oh.
If you lie up yourself, you just go on like how you're all day most of the time.
So come then now. You could go in my bathroom.
Yeah, true enough. Every time you can have it.
Yeah.
Come. Now walk out.
Girl. Fire. What do you know? Girl, I feel rolling nobody in there. See the fence smell nice place. That's not bad. Oh. So what after is, like in the jail, how long they maintain a self good cash? You have money on the road, girl, like you see the thing pan. So you may have money on the road. You have whole heap of money on the road. Whole heap of money. And in the jail so long, the one that run out. Oh, you have money up far, out there. Or you just use style, feel things that look bad for you. No girl, you have money out there too. Look for money attack, you sure? Yeah girl, what me need to tell you like the hype. Me not hype with no man money. But you have money out there. Boy. Come over regular then like you're alone then. Yeah girl.
Yeah. What go on?
What go on?
I still have some of the weed around there. Piece more weed I come to buy now.
You know some brother want to but come tell you what. Never be that link see what the cake.
Wedding cake.
Yeah man.
Bombard.
Oh that girl. I'm a friend man, I'm a good customer.
Wedding cake.
Yes, youth wedding cake.
Bombard. The electric normal man. Right now, you have to order a piece of me now.
You don't see 100,000 phone.
Half phone more right now.
Give me a girl. Well, give me a minute. Don't move here. Don't move.
Alright, normal free man.
One thing, I'm sorry that. I'm customer, so I'm not going to spend like that. When you top link. So we can see. Like him? Yeah, girl. You take your family man. I'll give you. Alright, girl.
I'll tell you what still. I'm going to make a one link and see if I can get no weed. No,
man, that's why I want something to you.
Eh?
Want something to you before you go, man.
Wait for you, where you talking about?
You want to get it there? Come over here. You haven't been for a long time, you know. What want to you?
Talk to me, man.
My friend said she likes it.
Like me?
Yeah, I'm on the idea, so you know, so she's free for you. You like that?
Yo, look for me. Very expensive, you know.
No, we're going that money, man. I'm going for money. But this is not going and going to space for me.
You mean, you know that man, how there, man? So you don't touch me.
Hey, so you say I go on now? Yeah, girl, but listen, man. My friend goes to me can't find the crumbs that I leave in my ear. Alright, so we can't go and raise down anything.
See if I find now and grab a thing and grab a bag, right? Isn't it?
Alright. So we have to go today?
Big. See, I buy me come to buy weed, girl. You're some regular customers.
You couldn't know, huh?
Yeah,
you want to ask?
What do you, man? My friend tell me, say still like me.
Didn't like you.
You know what you pray? If you have money, can spend for me, you see me?
We are talk about I have money.
Make sure you know, cause what you pray right now. Reach out one place in my life and I know my fees. I spend too much for home, you see me? So right now my fees say, my cat if you spend for me, you see me? So what you pray for? You like me? Don't know.
And then this thing we have and they're not expensive. You have to go make a reach to the top.
Is it?
They said them they're not expensive.
I pay so much money for them. That means how are you, man?
How are them there, brother?
What's that about $6 million, man? So,
Yeah. You have to spend 20 grand on clothes, 22,000 on clothes and 30 grand off for one shots, brother.
yeah.
You know, bro?
Oh, dear daddy, let me talk about it and I sit and get me excited and feel good. I see because I saw me spend up one bag of money for a woman first time and I look to see him come back. He come like a stumbling block in a new way, so when you see having money, you know we can link and you see free.
Yeah.
Once you take care of me, you know, so make it alright, everything good. You can't get out of your way. You see me, even a mosquito can bite you.
But still, you know, so where you say, where can you live?
Where I live?
Yeah.
I'm on the road, man.
Oh, you're single though?
Yeah, I'm single. If you have money, if you can take care of me.
I'm saying not to worry about money, brother. I want to you.
So make sure when I come in on your yard, you have
No,
to food
I'm
down
not
there.
saying go. Then go come to your yard first. And then after a while, you come to my yard. All that the sound.
That not sound too bad still. But we can't wait to sit down and feel a place.
Yeah, go sit down. Don't have my house nice, bad.
Make sure.
In they look good.
Make sure money today.
Money ever did there. You don't have to fret about money.
I fret about money. Look for me. Can I fret about money?
When they start talk about the money part, I'm saying that if you fret about the money part, you're not touch your drift.
Alright, babes. So nothing man, I'm pray.
Yeah.
So when you can link up back.
So me can come here today.
Today I'll come here.
Why not?
Alright. Now I'm pray.
So, like my friend will come back with the fish. You can buy your fish.
Listen.
You can buy your weed.
You can buy weed?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But the only bigger our chance to make a prove your our chance. So, I'm going to leave up here. So, come on.
Oh, I'm so tired. I have to put the girl into bed.
Alright, baby.
We just put her in bed.
No, girl, guess who is back?
Who?
The top link.
A lie. A lie, I tell. Tell
They
me
out of door
someone.
right now. Shh, take time talk. You out of door right now with Kim.
A lie.
Kim, tell me saying like Kim. So my parents him and tell me I'm going to piss wedding cake on give. Don't you want to give them space, you understand?
So I better go on.
Kim a go on hot worse than man there jail. My running hot.
So that really I go on.
And you know say man is a madman. You man he killing me now.
So that I know the year. In a year no more.
No, you know, that's the expenses, you know. So, Kim, I figure like on this. So, come like, Kim, I figure scam people them out the road where man, where something, where man money. I figure scam them.
I'm sorry for your she, you know.
If you man never find out, you man hurt this.
And that the man that's who come out of prison too.
But we don't know when he might come out yet. The person come out tomorrow.
You see when he come out, me don't know nothing.
Me don't know either. But all the things, listen me. All thing me do, if me see Kim and him around there, or do nothing, I'm see him or anything, me tell Kim, make him hide like I'm no one thing kill Kim. As long as me know say love running some hot in a boat too. I go deal differently.
But child, don't put your mouth in a people business.
Me? You
hear
really people space.
Don't put your mouth in a people business because that boy they will go to prison. A bad boy. So don't put your mouth in a nobody business. Come out of here.
Pass bad boy. A killer.
Me? See I'm blind here and deaf.
I think you're so easy somebody? Well, me can go in.
I'm going to. We don't know
What
nothing.
you do?
No, you last come lucky.
Come here, take lucky card.
Hello.
What's on? Not coming in.
Yeah, man, come in now.
Come back. You know, we can't love black fear, we just push up his soul. The black door is so mama. If nobody coming for you,
What me afraid of now?
anything at all.
So why you have to go up there so go sit down? You can't go sit down right there, so.
It's a too shallow. You don't want to see me.
Come down from up there, so man, and sit down here, so.
Yeah, treat me like me as straight. I'm going to cover my foot too. So yes, you go on.
Me not like you, you know?
Me don't like you either. Oh, so what I didn't like me, so you want to hate me then?
Come down off of me.
I'm sorry, you want to hate me?
Sit down right there, so.
You don't put the food. I'm hungry now.
If me never know see your belly, you come over here with.
Alright, me come down then.
No, me no cook.
Say you're hungry.
No, me no want to eat one time. Me hungry, me no cook.
So I can't see me so.
So, don't tap me on me.
Oh, you take something now?
You be fun alone, girl. But this is.
Oh, you find nobody new.
You love cock. Lock up your foot. Good. But the day on a man, you skin out all you want. But the day on me, no skin out.
So I catch a loss.
So where you come over here, man?
Think you're a little boy now.
Me no cook.
You know, who in your room?
Baby around there.
I'm going to come beside the baby.
No.
You know, I made a happy about that girl. I'm going to beside the baby.
Me I come over and go live beside and me pick me.
So I just
You can't sit
beside
down.
the baby.
You can't sit down out here.
Yes, you just start from. You go. Hey, you did run there.
Hey, but they run the room.
So how your sister and cook? You cook?
No.
We always cook for each other.
You know what?
Hunger kill me.
I see more see if I'm here more to some say come out. Me hear my sister where she dey.
I'm gonna call my inside the baby.
Oh yeah, yeah, sleep over here tonight.
I think when you call not have no food over here.
You love your belly still, no girl.
We want me to love you.
I mean, but still and still, I know today I fly out the morning.
Where you go?
Canada.
A lie.
Yeah, me get one little farm work and thing. But more money for borrow for you. When I go over, I'm still going to collect all some money. Me send it back on you and put look at interest.
You come over here, I beg you for food, you come and beg me money.
Girl, I wanna have money you say and I have no. Me know your time. I know you have it now.
How much money I look for borrow some?
15,000. I'm send back 25 grand here.
Yeah, alright, you know what? I'm going to want 5 grand. Somebody ever give you 5 grand yet?
Some of you send back 6 grand here.
No, 8.
Face it.
For me waiting fee in there.
Waiting free. Not even 2 days I wait for
Oi,
the
let me tell you something. Bank lend people money. Come video you too, so me give you money. If anything
but I know you're getting money about so. So who? I want more still. I'm come out there. I'm go over me send it back. You see me? But you're good still. How feel you catch you over there as a man? You look hungry for sure.
Well, to be honest, my life.
I am left.
Yeah. You back when you want to lick me and thing. I mean, the man come to my place for like saying I roll I'm the place.
Wait up in there, boy, just all when big up. Think
Me can't fight him? Because me slave.
can't turn up to fight you feel.
Yeah, no.
Me go and make it sound like me a kiss or something. No.
So I think you and your sister them come on when you want something.
Are you come over here when I want your belly to full?
I will come over here to get my belly full and you come over and get money for me.
You're lucky. So you go. Go on, let me let me do please. Be ask if you're asleep.
You don't come call it from your place, yeah, man.
You're asleep?
No, man, you're like them.
I'll see if I get bang.
Since you start chopping on you.
I keep my teeth. You know you're staying.
You what?
You know you're tired of teeth. tomorrow. We call on the reach.
Ready.
Wagwan.
I wanna reach ya.
That's rich, man. Fresh from prison. They're good, man. Everything good, man. So I deal with it. Pass, man. I tell nobody to me forward, you know. Man, surprise my woman. Apart from that, there are a couple of different little girls on the place I want to check. That woman like I just come back and now, and time I just come back from she just go fuck up on me. So you good though?
Yeah, man. Nobody in there, you know, just me alone there.
But that's good, man. But that's a pass through. None of that can drink.
No, sir, not even nothing that you can drink.
Yeah, go look in the
over
man.
there, suffer.
Go look in the man. Go check. I'm not a jagger and spitfire.
We not do that. Maybe one.
Mr. Go check. Them always have it. You don't have it to run go buy it. You take care of them when me hold ya, you take care of them without you just come back.
I long time this year, you know. Until you feel me, hide me hide and take you to people in the fridge.
You go do.
Yeah, man. You go buy back. I don't feel me, I hide me.
Yeah, man, so now. Few months still have it, yo?
No, I left him.
You left him. Alright. How old you want? You see any man you take up your beat you? You pay jai. I deal with the same man. Broke your foot or broke your hand, just come by your one. Now go broke your neck, because I don't want life in prison, man. So we broke a hand and a foot. That alone. Alright? So you choose, if you want a hand and a foot broke, you know where you go. All the dividends have got to be go on top. But apart from that, broke a hand, feel, come on and beat you, because you're a good girl. Get thieves and go on here. Tell nobody say see me, you know.
No, man.
What me say?
Me not see you.
Shut your eye. Yeah, I'm just come from the job. Just a come in now. Just a come out here. They lock me down for a while, man. Yeah, you want know. More somebody to buy, you know. But I'm not high price still, you know. Because you know how things come down. Yeah, man, come on, you make a money. I not do the same time when they are road and you have a piece of money put up. 2 grand. 2.5, mama. 2.5, I can link you. Yeah, but give me some time tonight. Just reach you. What's up, woman? What's up, price, woman, first? And then we come pay me tonight. 2.5 for the whole night. You there road all long, but they behind bars. I want a whole night to do. So my girlfriend, I know if I come in and our film style set. If my girlfriend want 2 hours, he can't move again. And lay down like I did. So ain't good. I love her still, I stand away. Alright. Yeah, but just reaching still. That is it. No man, what about? Run things, man. No, somebody run, man. Somebody walk around now. I gotta change my ways, I know, man. But if you're war, you know. You're really concerned about me, you know. I wonder if you want me to marry when I did that. You have to put down the selling attitude, though. Put down the selling attitude. You're a good woman, you know why you don't get up and sell every day. And you can't find different work, though. Yeah, man, you neighbor them, they're nice, I neighbor them. You not know, we don't say you have the night check, but I carry on next house. Don't people chat too much, man. How much people live next door, you see? Me chat, then chat. I try to move over, go down, clap something. Boy! Alright, alright. Yeah, man. Don't have for them bad mistake. I see them in time go to jail. Alright? Alright, so come check him, man. Let's give him check him 2 hours. In 2 hours. Because from Monday there, he must soon come back. I knock 1 hour there. Then I call him check. Alright? Alright, Diamond. One man nasty still. But things cannot change. Everything they have right there. See that? See that? See last things you know buy and throw them from ground at all over the place. My practice with banana. Got love. Alright, monkey. Teach you something till I fall. As soon as I talk to you like my mad, you know, you're gonna mad sometime. As soon as you recognize you, I'm gonna come around. Surprise! Got love.
Look at this because of say. How are you going so far?
The place look nice, bright like that.
I first time see a nice house.
But
How?
you don't see different.
They don't say your man have a jacket just like this.
Your man have one jacket like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Monkey.
That's how your man look like a monkey.
Bombard.
What's that?
Yes, I'm there. Yes, I can. You're so calm. Oh, curious.
What? Yeah, I hear that. Curious can't come. In the DM bars, they don't listen to her.
Who the main bar?
My man.
Me tell us stand up in the farm. Right now, I'm in this, you know. Right now, I'm in this. Oh, yeah, who does she? I'm
My uncle.
I'm a friend, oh. Where are you still? What am I in this? But me not tell yourself, you not tell nobody to me come. Bro, everybody got you, leave me alone with that. I know this, father. Alright. What one? That one I can't get dead. Can I dead yet?
Me not do money now.
You don't know?
No.
Why you look so guilty? You surprised to me?
Me do money for sure.
So you're so frightened, you're very frightened. You think Babylon could have all of your eye?
The policeman tell me say dash her the key.
Listen. Jah is powerful more than the soldier and the policeman. A Jah blow bread. And when Jah said I must free, Babylon can't lie. Because when they catch him pan, every evidence disappear. No, this was when we put the serious up, so you see that middle guys, you know what this mean?
If you ever do.
Why you say so?
Get love.
Got love.
I get this. I ordered it.
Oh, did they?
Oh, me can't show me carry. They never send me to class to that part there.
No. But what? You see with man in your door? Your friends say your brother, sister, cousin, and one say your uncle.
And my uncle.
And your uncle.
Yeah.
So, how you working so? On our family business? Yeah?
And my uncle, me only ask him to come fix the fan for me. Because the front pair fan come out. Remember say I never left it so, you know?
You never left it so? Yeah. But how much money you carry over here from me, girl?
No, a one man come over here.
One man you carry over here?
No, me say me uncle that me say. And the uncle come over here, so your man in the.
Alright.
And the funny man come.
Ah, wait a second. No, you're not carrying nobody enough visit your garden.
No, he lock up.
Alright, come. Let's check a look at checking our bathroom car. No, not a backside. No. Something wrong.
Where me buy something wrong?
Something wrong. Something wrong. One test a while ago proved that you're not being faithful.
I call the police and then I give something for week near hood in the jail. That's why you make it feel so. Efika? Efika said they put something in your food in there.
No, me not touch on my finger, me touch it with a while ago. And first time, it couldn't go in, but now it was on my hand. Not really hand, but half of my hand almost going there. So
They with me a finger, they win there.
alright, you know what? You take your time, pack up your bag. Because they say me the part, if you do not go wrong now, they ain't gonna give me life.
You see, if you don't make me stay
No, but you know.
what I have to say?
Hear me I say. But me box some people in a jail. One phone call.
Yeah.
So, go on. Continue.
If you don't make me stay yourself.
You want me to close that now?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, I'll make them give a sentence to life. And give me this tattoo.
Alright.
You don't make me stay.
No, you go stay.
Oh.
No, go up on the bed. Go stay.
So what you going to do now?
This won't come.
Alright
This
then.
won't come.
Better say me call the police. Say it.
Yeah, do that. Stay now and this won't forward.
Hello. I say look at dirty Rasta boy come do. And come go say man put me out.
You know you're done, so if you come out.
So where you for?
Yeah, man. You see the movie, I found that time and look part of this time. So you don't know, we have a lot of work in process now. A lot of things are going. We don't have to talk about everything and everything good is good to talk. You know what I mean? So we start off the movements and we do it according to plan. There's lots of obstacles in the ways as we go along. And Jah show me the path we have to take to ensure say avoid that in the future. What not ready will not happen again unless we want it to happen again. Alright? So we are going to do what we can do. What things are going and everything we can talk about and everything need to talk neither. We are more of an action people. So I've been overworking myself for all the last year. Just trying to survive. So this year and now is what have we learned. So you gotta take a slow start into the year. So we have to take the time. We're in January now, we have to take the time pushing. Here, tune, watch as we go along. JAMMIWOOD, One King. You know what I mean? I be a work. You know what I mean? Richard Brown Films, burn it down to the ground. Take what you take and go do it do. You know what I mean? Maggie Films, One Movements. Alright, let's go. We don't have to talk much, you know. But big up all of the sponsor them from that time, all of the promoter them. We don't know if I sponsor them there for Wednesday, you know. Me a big one up still. We look like we don't watch again, you know. So, you know. But anyway, if you don't watch, remember me say, big up on yourself, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? As we go along. The journey not to start yet. And we have big things in the pipeline this coming year. You know what I mean? And who look will see. And who listen will hear. Have no fear. Yeah, me I plan to put on one party for my birthday, you know, some birthday come up in March, same way, you know what I mean? So look out for it. The poster soon drop for that party there. So all of my fans them can come out, we party, enjoy ourselves, you know what I mean? Because we only have one life to live, but still we have to take a time off. Enjoy ourselves and then back to work again. So I want them party there. So me and PSS Films I know how the party go and where we go keep it. But you don't go hear about it. Alright? And if you come out, you know what I mean? Come show the support because I take what I take and go do what I do. Alright, let's go. You want to just watch the movie there. Tell me if you don't like it. Tell me if you don't tell me one thing about it, yeah? We are going to put in the work as usual. You know what I mean? Big up all the sponsors them, all of my friends them worldwide. The place is nice because it's a festive season where them enjoy themselves. We are shoot though. But them talk a lot. Yeah, she just do her hair. You know what I mean? So, burn it down to the ground. You take what you take and go do what you do.